Good morning, students. In the previous classes, we are studied about topic measurement, unit 1 measurement. Overall, this unit is finished. ஸோ டுடே பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த யூனிட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம் பார்க்கலாம். 1 வேர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் 2 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஆன்சர்ஸ் டுடே நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம் பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க. First question is which of the following is a derived unit? Question number 1, which of the following is a derived unit? Option A mass, option B time, option C area, option D length. The answer is option C area. Question number 2, which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Option A 1 liter equal to 1 cc. Option B 1 liter equal to 100 cc. 10 cc. Option C 1 liter equal to 100 cc. Option D 1 liter equal to 1000 cc. The answer is option D 1 liter equal to 1000 cc. Question number 3, SI unit of density is. SI unit of density is. Option A kg per m square. Option B kg per m cube. Option C kg per m. Option D g per m cube. The answer is question number. The answer is option B kg per meter cube. Question number 4, two spheres have equal mass and volume in the ratio 2:1. The ratio of their density is. Option A 1:2, option B 2:1, option C 4:1, option D 1:4. The answer is option B 2:1. Question number 5, light year is the unit of. Option A distance, option B time, option C density, option D both length and time. The answer is option A distance. Next, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1, volume of irregularly shaped objects are measured using the law of dash. Volume of irregularly shaped objects are measured using the law of dash. Graphical method. Graphical method. Question number 2, 1 cubic meter is equal to dash cubic centimeter. 1 cubic meter is equal to dash cubic centimeter. 10 lakhs cubic centimeter. Next, question number 3, density of mercury is dash. Density of mercury is dash. 13,600. 13,600 kg per meter cube. Question number 4, 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1 astronomical unit is equal to dash. 1 astronomical unit is equal to dash. 149.6 into 10 power of 6 km. 149.6 into 10 power of 6 kilometer. And question number 5. The area of a leaf can be measured using a dash. The area of a leaf can be measured using a dash. Graphical method. Graphical method. Next, statement are true or false. The regions covered by the boundary of the plane figure is called its volume. The answer is false. The region covered by the boundary of the plane figure is called its area, not volume. Question number 2. Volume of liquids can be found using measuring containers. Volume of liquids can be found using measuring containers. The answer is true. Water is denser than kerosene. Water is denser than kerosene. The answer is true. A ball of iron floats in mercury. A ball of iron float in mercury. The answer is true. Question number 5. A substance which contains less number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. A substance which contains less number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. The answer is false. Match the following column 1 and column 2. Column 1 have a area, distance, density, volume, mass. Column 2 light year, meter cube, meter 2. Column 2 light year, meter cube, meter square, kg per meter cube. The correct match is area is meter square, area is m square. Question number 2. Distance is light year. Option A. Distance is light year. Density kg per meter cube, and volume meter cube, and mass kg. The second match of the following column 1, column 2. Column 1 have a area, length, density, volume, mass. Column 2 g per centimeter cube, measuring jar, amount of the substance, rope, plane figure. First question, area is correct match is plane figures, length, rope, density g per centimeter cube, volume, measuring jar, mass, amount of a substance. Arrange the following in correct sequence. 1 liter, first question we see the 1 liter and 100 cc, 10 L and 10 cc. The first one 10 cc, second one is 100 cc, third one 1 liter, fourth one 10 liter. And question number 2, copper, aluminum, gold, iron. The correct arrangement is aluminum, iron and copper, then gold. Aluminum have a 2700 density and copper have a 8900 density and aluminum have a 2700 and iron have a 7800. Okay, next use the analogy of to fill in the blank. Area meter square, volume dash, volume is meter cube, liquid is liter, solid is cc, and water is kerosene, iron and aluminum. Next question answer, give the short answer. What are the derived quantities? What are the derived quantities? Answer is physical quantities which can be obtained by multiplying, dividing, or by the mathematically combining the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. Their corresponding unit are called derived unit. Example, the area of the float of land is derived by multiplying the length and breadth. Area equal to length into breadth. The unit of the area equal to meter into meter. Therefore, meter square or m square. Question number 2. Distinguish between the volume of liquid and the capacity of a container. The answer is the maximum volume of liquid that a container can hold is known as the capacity of the container. The volume of a liquid is equal to the volume of space it fills in the container. Third point, liter is the unit used to measure the volume of liquids. Fourth point, the unit of volume is cubic centimeter if the dimension of the object are given in centimeter. And option point 5, a volume of 1000 cc is termed as 1 liter. 1 liter equal to 1000 cc or centimeter cube. Question 3, define the density of object. Define the density of object. Density of a substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in unit volume 1 meter cube. Density of the substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in unit volume 1 meter cube. If the mass of the substance is m, whose volume is v, then the equation for density is given as density is d equal mass m divided by volume v. D equal to m divided by v. Question number 4. What is the 1 light year? 1 light year is defined as the distance travelled by light in vacuum during the period of 1 year. 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. Question number 5. Define 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit is defined as the average distance between the earth and the sun. 1 AU astronomical unit means astronomical unit equal to 149.6 million kilometer. Therefore, 1 equal to 149.6 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. Is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. 11 meter. Okay, students. Overall, this unit book back question is over. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இந்த யூனிட்டில் உள்ள எல்லா கொஸ்டின்ஸும் நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சாச்சு, மார்க் பண்ணியாச்சு. நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுங்கள், இந்த யூனிட்டில் இருக்க நான் இப்போ இன்றைக்கி மார்க் பண்ண கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாமே உங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ்ட்டு நீங்கள் பக்கத்துலேருந்து என்ன செய்யுங்க, படித்து நோட்டில் எழுதி பேரண்ட்ஸோட சைனோட ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து என்னுடைய வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு நீங்கள் செப்பரேட்டாக என்ன செய்யுங்க, அதை சென்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். நான் உங்களுக்கு மிஸ்டேக்ஸை நான் வந்து கரெக்ட் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு நான் சென்ட் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகேங்களா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? இந்த யூனிட்டில் நான் 2 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸும் குறித்து போட்டிருக்கேன், 1 வேர்ட்ஸும் குறித்து போட்டிருக்கேன். இந்த 2 மார்க் கொஸ்டின் 1 வேர்ட்ஸை நீங்கள் இந்த வீக்கில் என்ன செய்யுங்க, நீங்கள் படிங்க. ஓகேங்களா? ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.